Murimo wa COVID-19 uthite na mbere na gutherema na njira nene guku bururi-ini. Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe akiuga tutire turahotana haro ya murimo uyu.
There is a silver lining, and in the fullness of time we will see what the silver lining in this pandemic might be. We are not yet out of the woods. Indeed, it looks like we are getting more and more into the woods.
Arwaru igana rimwe ria 28 ni monekanite na murimo uyu. Kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet ikiandikithia murwaru wa mbere igikinyaniria kaunti 36 iria ihutitio. Umuthi kaunti ya Mombasa igitongoria na arwaru 40. Arwaru othe a COVID magikinyiria 2340.
The positive cases include 119 Kenyans, 2 Somalis, 2 Tanzanians, and 1 Eritrean national. These figures do not include the number of foreigners we have tested at the border and turned them back to their countries.
Mutahi neugete thirikari ni kwanirira mawatho na mitaratara iria ikuhuthika hari kurigita andu micia ithenya-ini ria thibitari, kuona gicunje kia 80 kia arwaru wa murimo uyu guku bururi-ini matironania ndariri ciothe cia murimo wa COVID-19 na ica ikuhi mathibitari maya kuihura arwaru.
Is in the process of actualizing, and indeed we have already completed the process of actualizing home and community-based care protocols for rollout and to be implemented countrywide. What this means is that a lot of people who are in isolation facilities may be released to be taken care of at their homes.
Ritana ni rithiete na mbere na gwikio kuri Matereba a thabari ndaya, maabitha borithi na aria me migiko-ini ya barabara makionekana ta magondereire mawira-ini mao, kuona Matereba ni marakinya mwena wa Bomet matari na marua ma kuonania matire na murimu wa COVID-19 na ni mahatukire migiko itiganite ya borithi.
Lakini hiyo certificate lazima iwe ni certificate ya maana. Lazima it must be an authentic certificate. Huwezi kuingia kiosk ama clinic unapatiwa karatasi ambayo inasema uko COVID free na anafanya kastamp, anafanya kastamp Dogomano clinic kap analete kaboda hiyo. Jameni,
mukaana ni uruteirwa ya makoretwo makiana ndumiriri cia maheni riria mathite guthimwo murimu wa COVID-19. Mutahi akiuga kuu ni kuiga family yaku undu mwena ria makurigiceirie ugwati-ini.
About a person who is unwell and runs away, there is no charge in a quarantine facility. On the contrary, you are being fed, yet you run away. This is why we are saying, instead of putting people in a situation where they are running away, why not just let them go home? All right? So that you run away from your own home.
Girifotera Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Wajiro wa Foro.